This video shows the application of Dima Print Cast Ruby. When designing in your CAD software, make sure you observe the minimum thickness and the necessary material parameters. You can find these for each Dima print material in our application guide. Since the application guide is adapted, for example for new materials, you will find this in the current version in the download area of our website or under the following direct link. In our application guide, you will find a corresponding chapter for each Dima material with all parameters that need to be taken into account during construction and printing. Check the exposure area in the printer and the printing platform for cleanliness. The best way to detect contamination in the printer is to use a lateral illumination, for example from a mobile phone lamp. Also check the material tray for cleanliness and shake the material for at least 5 minutes. Now put the material into the tray. Always make sure that the material is always filled to the maximum line. This prevents bubbles in the print and that you run out of material during printing. Then insert the tray with material into the printer. Make sure that the green line is completely visible and start printing. Import the print files into the internal memory and select the corresponding dataset from the material list. After updating to firmware 70, a material data record for Dima Print Cast Ruby is available. Start printing. After printing is finished, remove the print platform with the print object. To ensure ideal cleaning, rinse the object with some isopropanol and blow off any excess with compressed air. Screw the printed object on the building platform onto the large spacer in the lid of Cara Print Clean. Start the first cleaning for 1 minute with a speed fast. After the first cleaning time has expired, unscrew the printing platform from the holder in the lid. Between the two cleaning steps the object is thoroughly blown out with compressed air. Make sure that you use a splash guard, otherwise your surroundings may become contaminated. Then pour the objects into the second cleaning bath. The second cleaning time is also 1 minute with the speed fast. After the second cleaning step the object is blown dry again with compressed air. For a more detailed description of the use of Cara Print Clean, you will find a video on the Kulzer YouTube channel under the keyword Cara Print Clean, Installation and Application. Now the objects are removed from the building platform and finally cured in the Highlight Power 3D. For final polymerization, the objects are light cured for 90 seconds from each side. Please refer to instructions for use in the application guide for all materials. Now all objects are ready for further processing in the casting technique. Please note the recommendation to process all printed objects on the same day if possible. Then you will achieve the best casting results. For further processing, disconnect the supports. Grind the supports with a carbide cutter. Prepare the objects for your casting system to a casting funnel and the corresponding base former. Please refer to our application guide for the tested investment materials and the parameters corresponding to the objects. Please refer to the IFU of the corresponding investment material for the investment concentrations. Also observe the specifications of your alloy supplier and the specifications of your casting equipment. Now your printed and cast objects are ready for further processing and finishing.